हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट पे ऐसे। मैं आपके साथ 400 वर्ड्स के साथ ये ऐसे शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। Unemployment is a very serious issue not only in India but in the whole world. A large number of educated and uneducated people loiter about in search of some job. There are hundreds and thousands of people out there who do not have employment besides. The problem of unemployment are very severe in India because of the growing population and demand for jobs. Causes of unemployment. There are many causes of unemployment in India. First of all, the overpopulation of the country, which brings competition in all professional sectors. The effective education system, which falls in the proper development of a student as a professional employee with complete knowledge, including the theoretical information and practical experience. In India, caste system is prevent the work is prohibited for specific castes in some areas. Indian economic is underdeveloped and rule of economic growth is very slow. Underdeveloped business sectors are still not attraction for students as a working place like the agriculture field and cottage industries. Criteria of selecting candidates with having on experience rather than fresher, this leads to the problem of unemployment. Some suggestion for solving the problem: there should be a check on the rapid growth of population. The program of family planning should be made more popular in rural areas. All efforts should made in this direction. The system of education should be changed. Importance should be given to technical and vocational education. Education should be sound and practical. Government should create more jobs for the educated, unemployed cottages and small scale industries should be developed. Banks should advance loans to you to set up small industries. Conclusion: our government is also making every effort to solve this problem. Our youth should start work. They should stand on their legs. The cottage industries are being encouraged. India can also become an economically strong nation. Poverty can be eliminated from India forever. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।